Hey, it's Joseph here. Today we've got a delivery here which I'll be kind of doing the unboxing as well as the installation. It's a quite interesting one that I would like to showcase. So this is my living room that I would like to upgrade today. We used to have the blinds on there, however it was all manual, and also it was just a 2-section. We just kind of ordered it somewhat hastily and didn't really think about the fact that we've got 3 windows. Not necessarily a wise decision there, so you had a seam in between, so we would definitely be upgrading here today with the set of the new blinds. So I'll just do the unboxing here since I've got some space. Nicely packaged. It's 3 different boxes and they are nicely labeled over here. The company Smartwings have provided me with these products for me to showcase and install it on my living room. So thank you Smartwings for providing these products. And to be specific, I got some notes over here where it lists the specific ones that I have ordered. This is the Motorized Light Filtering Roller Shades 70% Blackout Linen. And I believe all 3 of them have solar panels, so they are able to charge on their own. So you don't really need to recharge in any ways, and it is all automatic. And the biggest upgrade to these smart blinds would be the fact that it is motorized and it is automatic. And I can pair it with the Google Assistant, Siri, and also Alexa, I believe. So I don't need to go up to the blinds and manually operate them, and they can be all scheduled and going up and down on their own. So without further ado, let's take them out and see what they are. Nicely packaged. So my wife Grace over here decided to help out a little bit since it seems somewhat interesting. And I got some sort of module, remote control. And then this is the solar energy panel, which is gonna provide the power for, and then some manual instructions and all. And then we've got the actual blind over here, nicely packaged. So have you figured out what those are?
Ceiling mat.
Okay, so the blind itself comes in this sort of L-shaped bracket, which is the cover for the actual roller. So let me just kind of hold it up here. So I suppose you somehow mount this up to the top header of the window. Everything is labeled over here once again. Yes, so we discussed about the exact color and everything prior to ordering, and my wife has approved of it. Remotes and the batteries. Oh, in case you want to charge your blinds with a different set of chargers, then you can use this long cable. In our case, we have solar panels, so we don't need to do that. So we got the solar panel.
Okay. Oh, I can just slide it out.
Ah, okay.
Of course. I almost stepped on that solar panel.
Good job. Roll it back. Grace is laughing a little bit here because I have made a critical mistake. I told the Smartwings company about the height of my window. It is supposed to be 58, not 38. And I made a mistake of stating it is 38. It's complete my fault and I take the blame, and that's why she's laughing. But other than that, how is the overall result other than being a little bit short?
I like it.
The installation was quite easy. I actually enjoy doing these sort of DIY assembly sort of stuff, so I really enjoyed. She seemed to be enjoyed it. So I'm gonna be in contact with Smartwings to see if I can get a replacement for actual 58 inches high blinds. So it was completely my fault to order wrong length of a blind, so I chimed into the company and they actually helped me out in ordering just the fabric. So everything else is intact. It's just the fabric that has been replaced now, and they are currently all the way down. And because of that, I had to take out the rod here and then replace with a new fabric, along with changing the limits for the motors to come down further than what it was initially made for. But that is all due to my wrong measurement and ordering, but they were extremely accommodating. And as you can see, we do get some light through the fabric, which is quite nice. It is more brownish color. It is a very light beigey color on my eyes, although it looks completely blown out to you. So I just wanted to clarify that. But in some pictures, I might be able to show you how it kind of looks like in real life. Oh, and I completely forgot about this, but you're supposed to remove the front cover, so let me show you that. So as you can see, there is a remote for me to control all the blinds with. So if I just press up, they start going up. And then if I press down, they start coming down because it's in a group mode, which is a 0. I can also individually control them by going number 1 blind, and then up, and then number 3 blind, and then up, or just have them down, and then go to the group mode again, and then basically have them all down. And they can just kind of go on forever because they are actually being charged with the solar panels, which is quite nice, so I don't need to charge them in any way. And then on a sunny, bright day like this, it's just gonna charge by itself. And another great aspect of this blind is the fact that I can order a USB dongle. It was about the half size of this remote, which is sitting over there in a USB connector. And as long as I have that connected, it is going to talk to these blinds. I could pair these up, and then those are connected to my Google Assistant. Open all my curtains.
Got it. Opening 3 curtains.
So they will do this, and I can actually schedule them so that they go up automatically in the morning, and then at night it will come down. I actually have it set up so that it goes up on 8 a.m. and then they come down at 5 p.m. at night, so I can enjoy a bit more privacy. So thank you, Smartwings, for sending me these products for me to showcase and actually enjoy. My kid's gonna enjoy playing with this remote, so I'm gonna have to prohibit them somehow. But my wife also loves it, other than the fact that it was a wrong length. So as soon as she arrives, she's gonna be able to see how all of this is working together, and we're all excited for it and really glad how it turned out to be. I don't think I have done that many smart home content, but this is definitely one of the greatest addition to my home. I do have several smart home devices across the rooms. Let me know down in the comment. I'll be happy to showcase that too. And there it goes, coming down since it is 5 p.m. Well, if you guys have liked this content, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel to continue watching these type of videos again. And thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye.